My name is Ellen Casey, and I'm an associate attending physiatrist here at HSS. So the interesting thing about my practice is that I can see a really diverse range of ages and different types of patients. So one day I might see a 9-year-old gymnast and a 90-year-old with back pain. But my passion really focuses around the active female, so women of all ages, and trying to keep them physically active and healthy throughout their lives. A physiatrist is a physician who is trained in what's called physical medicine and rehabilitation. I think the best way to describe what I do within the field is I'm an expert in the nervous system and the intersection with that in the musculoskeletal system. The idea is to be able to look at someone's mechanics when they're doing anything like walking across the room or, flipping on a balance beam, and understanding how their inherent anatomy, their strength in their muscles, their power, their flexibility or lack thereof, all contribute to how they perform a certain skill. And so I use a pretty extensive physical exam combined with ultrasound techniques to both look at the tissue where it hurts to figure out what's going on in the office, also a variety of other imaging like MRI and x-rays, of course. And then the ultrasound and x-ray can help us do guided procedures so that we know exactly where we're getting medication into a specific joint or a tissue. So the other interesting thing that athletes will come in for is not an injury, but trying to figure out if they can optimize their performance. So it might be that they used to train in a certain way and they got a benefit out of it and now they don't. Or they're wondering if they can optimize their nutrition or something about their conditioning and cross-training. And so the most gratifying part of the job is being able to collaborate with the patient, work with a wonderful physical therapist, often involve their coach or the trainer, whoever else is important in what they like to do, and get them back to being able to run or play sports pain-free.